Clean eating is a way of eating that focuses on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. It emphasizes nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, while avoiding or minimizing processed foods, added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. The core principles of clean eating include whole foods, prioritizing foods that are minimally processed, such as fresh produce, whole grains, and lean proteins. Balanced diet, ensuring a good balance of macronutrients, which are proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and micronutrients, which are vitamins and minerals, in each meal. Minimizing processed foods, avoiding foods that are highly processed or contain artificial ingredients, preservatives, and added sugars. If you decide to consume minimally processed foods, the rule is 7 to 5 ingredients or less, preferably refrigerated with a short shelf life, and ingredients you can pronounce or don't have to look up its meaning. I love to use free mobile apps offering product scanning and health information. These apps will help users make healthier choices. If it scans green, then it's clean. Mindful eating. Paying attention to portion sizes, eating when hungry and stopping when full, while also being aware of the quality of the food consumed. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding sugary drinks or those with artificial additives. Healthy fats. Incorporating sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil while reducing the intake of trans fats and unhealthy saturated fats. You see, clean eating isn't about strict dieting or deprivation. It's about choosing foods that nourish your body, improve energy levels, and support your overall health. So then I had to ask myself, I'm following these core principles already, but why do I still feel this way? Always tired and at times even sluggish. What was I missing? That's when I heard one of my fave podcasts mentioning eating for your blood type. Highly recommended. So, of course, I do what I do best and I go look into what this is and why I haven't heard of it before. Well, eating for your blood type diet is nothing new. It's well over 20 years old and it started with the book Eat Right for Your Type. So, I started eating for my blood type and let me tell you, my heart was crushed after reading this book and learning that a few of my favorite foods, like my weekly meal prep staples, are foods that I must avoid. No! Okay, that was a bit dramatic, but I really love my chicken and avocados. That would make sense. If I'm eating the things I should be avoiding, perhaps this would explain my daily energy level dips. Also, around this time last year, my good friend who introduced me into essential oils a few years ago had me take a Zyto scan. And what that is basically a type of biocommunication technology that measures the body's subtle energy response. It involves placing your hand on a device and the device sends subtle energetic impulses to your body. Your body's response time is then recorded and analyzed. Now, disclaimer, there is no conclusive scientific proof that these devices can accurately measure or assess health conditions. But I was alarmed by my report. For someone who preaches clean eating and wellness, my biomarkers were all over the place. My detoxification system, aka liver functioning, is what really alarmed me.
Let's talk about food intolerances for a minute. They can have a range of effects on the body, as they cause difficulties in digesting certain foods. These reactions are typically not as severe as food allergies, but they can still lead to discomfort and health issues. Here's what food intolerances can cause in the body, and some of what I've been experiencing. digestive issues, fatigue and low energy, skin problems, headaches and migraines, joint and muscle pain, respiratory symptoms such as congestion or shortness of breath, weight fluctuations, mood changes, and nutrient deficiencies. You see, food intolerances may not be life-threatening, but they can cause a range of uncomfortable and disruptive symptoms. Identifying and avoiding trigger foods is essential to maintaining these effects and maintaining optimal health.
I'm thinking, what the heck am I putting into my body to cause this reading? Which brings me back to blood type eating. That would make sense. Come to find out that the B positive blood type has a lectin sensitivity to chicken, corn, buckwheat, wheat, sesame, amaranth, soy, and rye. Foods that cause liver detox dysfunction for B blood type include lentils, chickpeas, black beans, black-eyed peas, mung beans, artichoke, and aloe. Yeah, your girl K-Joy was eating all of these, especially chicken, avocado, lentils, and chickpeas. All of these were foods that I should have been avoiding. So, I'm now 2 weeks in this blood type eating diet. And I must say, my energy level has been pretty stable. I want to wait 2 more weeks before retaking the Zytoscan to see if there is any significant changes from my last report. So I'm excited to keep this going and may do another video specifically on blood type diet. The feeling of drowsiness or fatigue after a meal, often referred to the colloquially as the itis or food coma, is relatively common and can be normal. However, while some post-meal tiredness can be normal, it can also be a sign that your meal composition might need some adjusting. You see, eating smaller, more balanced meals that include a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and rich fiber foods, such as carbohydrates, can help mitigate the intensity of the itis. If you find that you regularly feel excessively tired after eating, like what I was experiencing, it could be worth considering the types and quantities of food that you are eating, or even discussing it with your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying conditions like blood sugar imbalances or food intolerance. Clean eating emphasizes listening to your body's signals, similar to how the blood type diet suggests observing how different foods impact your health based on your blood type. If you combine these approaches, you might eat clean while also considering your blood type to fine-tune your food choices for better digestion and health. One of the best ways to ensure that you're eating clean is by meal prepping your own food. This approach gives you full control over the ingredients, the cooking methods, and portion sizes, allowing you to align your meals with clean eating principles. Here's how meal prepping your own food can help you maintain a clean diet. Number 1, you have control over the ingredients. Whole foods. You can choose whole, unprocessed foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, ensuring that your meals are nutrient-dense and free from unnecessary additives. Avoiding additives. By cooking at home, you avoid hidden sugars, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that are often found in prepackaged or restaurant meals. Customization to your needs. Tailored to preferences, you can customize meals to suit your dietary needs, preferences, and any food intolerances or allergies. Whether you prefer gluten-free, dairy-free, or low-carb options, meal prepping allows you to tailor your diet specifically to what works best for you. Portion control. Preparing your own meals allows you to manage portion sizes, helping you to avoid overeating and ensuring that your meals align with your health and fitness goals. Number 3, quality and freshness. You can source fresh, high quality ingredients including organic and locally grown produce, which are fresher and more nutrient rich. Minimal processing. Since you are preparing your food yourself, you can avoid over-processing, which helps keep the natural flavors and the nutrients of the food. Number 4, healthier cooking methods. Control over cooking methods. You can choose healthier cooking techniques such as grilling, steaming, baking, or sauteing with minimal oil, which helps preserve nutrients and reduce unhealthy fats. Reduce use of fats and sugars. By controlling the cooking process, you can limit the use of added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats, making your meals cleaner and more in line with your dietary goals. Number 5, cost effective. Budget-friendly meal prepping at home can be more cost-effective than relying on meal prep services or eating out. You can buy ingredients in bulk, reduce food waste, and you can save money while maintaining a clean diet. Less reliance on convenience foods. Preparing your own meals reduces the temptation to reach for processed convenience foods that are often high in unhealthy ingredients. Number 6, mindful eating. Awareness of what you eat. Meal prepping encourages mindfulness about what you're eating as you're involved in every step of the process, from selecting the foods at the grocery store and choosing your ingredients to cooking them, storing the food, etc. You see, this mindfulness can help you make healthier, more intentional food choices. Improved relationship with food. Being more hands-on with your meals can enhance your relationship with food, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the nourishment it provides. Number 7, consistency and convenience. Weekly routine. Establishing a regular meal prep routine helps ensure that you always have clean, healthy meals ready, even on the busy days. This consistency supports long-term adherence to a clean eating lifestyle. Grab and go. Prepared meals mean you have healthy options readily available, reducing the likelihood of making unhealthy food choices out of convenience. And number 8, experimentation and variety. Trying new recipes. Meal prepping allows you to experiment with new recipes, flavors, and ingredients, keeping your meals exciting and preventing boredom. Seasonal eating. You can take advantage of seasonal produce, which is often fresher, more flavorful, and more nutritious, adding a variety to your diet. Mindset Minute. While meal prep services can be a time saver, they do not always align with the principles of clean eating. The convenience often comes with trade-offs in ingredient quality, freshness, and transparency, making it essential for those committed to clean eating to carefully vet services, ask questions about ingredient sourcing and preparation methods, and supplement with home-prepared meals to ensure the adherence to their clean eating goals. You see, meal prepping your own food is one of the most effective ways to eat clean. It gives you complete control over what goes into your meals, ensuring that they meet your dietary standards and support your health goals. Choosing clean snacks involves focusing on whole, minimally processed foods that provide a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. By planning ahead, reading labels carefully, and keeping your portion sizes in check, you can enjoy nutritious snacks that support your clean eating lifestyle and keep you energized throughout the day. By planning and preparing your meals ahead of time, you can enjoy the convenience of ready-to-eat nutritious meals while maintaining the integrity of clean eating. Clean eating profoundly affects your body by nourishing it with high quality, whole foods. This approach leads to improved digestion, better energy levels, healthier skin, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, clean eating supports mental clarity, mood stability, and overall well-being, making it a powerful tool for enhancing both your physical and emotional health. Clean eating isn't just about the foods you eat. It's also about how those choices transform your body and your mind. So, as you continue your clean eating journey, remember that every bite you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Make mindful choices, savor the benefits, and watch how your body responds to this nourishing way of life. You can check the description below for more resources on this topic. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out this one on having a food positive mindset. Also, be sure to like and subscribe for more mindset wellness content like this one. And there you have it, my beautiful mindfulpreneurs. As always, remember to stay focused, stay connected, and always choose joy. Bye!